There are many slow cooker products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best slow cookers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Ninja MC1001. Rating 4.7. This cooker replaces the need for a slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and utensil. Using the bottom heating elements, you are able to sear proteins and sauté vegetables right in the cooking pot. No need to transfer to the stovetop. Removable cooking pot is oven safe up to 500° F, so you can finish your meal in the oven for a crispy top. Slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, keep warm. Sous vide, braise, bake, and proof. Multifunctional utensil works as a ladle and pasta fork, plus it has its own utensil rest right in the lid handle. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 33861. Rating 4.7. 6-quart capacity slow cooker has generous 6-quart oval crock to easily fit a 6 pounds chicken or 4 pounds roast surveys 7+ people. Customize your cooking with FlexCook with this programmable slow cooker. Select first heat, setting and cooking time, and select second heat. Setting and cooking time automatically shifts to warm after cooking. No need to be there to change it. Simple programming. Select single temperature and time setting on 6-quart slow cooker automatically shifts to warm when time is up. Prefer to keep it simple. Select high, low, or warm in manual mode on the slow cooker without setting a timer. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 8. Rating 4.7. Perfect for family meals, potlucks, and parties. The 8-quart, large capacity slow cooker has a stoneware crock that can fit everything from lasagna and desserts to large cuts of meat. It will hold an 8 pounds chicken or a 6 pounds roast. Serves 10+ people. Flexible programming with countdown timer. Mix and match warm, low or high heat settings, with adjustable programming times from 30 minutes to 18 hours. The convenient countdown timer on the LED display shows you how long until food is ready. Easy to carry. This slow cooker has full grip handles that make it easy to carry, easy to clean. The removable stoneware crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe, and the touchpad easily wipes clean. Number 2. Ninja MC1101. Rating 4.8. Slow cook, sear, sauté, braise, keep warm. White rice, brown rice, oats, and pasta. No more cluttered countertops. Replaces slow cooker, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, saucepan, stock pot, rice cooker, and Dutch oven. Prepare your mains and grains together, or cook them separately in one compact cooking system. 30% faster than traditional cooking methods. Cook rice 50% faster than a traditional rice cooker. Oven safe. Pot up to 500 allows you to transfer the pot from the cooker to the oven for a crispy finish. Then, serve directly from the pot with the included rice spoon. Number 1. Crock-Pot Liner. Rating 5.0. Save money by protecting and extending crock-pot's life. Use crock-pot liners to keep food from sticking and scratching the ceramic pot. Make your slow cooker's life last longer. Cosvo Crock-Pot Liner made of platinum-cured silicone. It's food-grade and BPA-free. Oven safe up to 475° Fahrenheit. Odorless, leak-proof, and reusable. Innovative design. Flat bottom for better heat conduction. Non-slip handles and foldable. 1 silicone hole liner, 2 divider liners, 2 mini mitts, and 1 plastic utensil cradle. Cook bigger portion or 2 smaller portion at once using crock-pot divider silicone. Place crock-pot liners in the crock-pot, turning on the appliance. Discard crock-pot liners after use. Hand wash or dishwasher it. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.